Which circular saw is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer isn't so obvious. There are budget picks, pro-grade tools, and everything in between, all claiming to be the best. Today, we cut through the noise and show you exactly which ones deliver. Product number 1, Skill 5080-01. Let's start with the Skill 5080-01, a red corded workhorse that punches way above its price. At just $55, this thing feels solid in your hands and doesn't pretend to be anything it's not. If you want reliable, no-frills cutting power for weekend projects or light construction, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's got a 13-amp motor, which means it slices through 2x4s and plywood like butter, no bogging down. Plus, it's 15% lighter than its predecessor, so you're not dead tired after an hour of framing. The 51-degree bevel with positive stops gives you precise angled cuts, and the spindle lock makes blade changes way faster. And honestly, the dust blower actually works. Keeps your cut line clear so you're not guessing where you're going. Now, some people complained about the plastic shoe base feeling flimsy over time. Here's the thing though, it's still functional for most DIYers, and at this price, you're getting way more than you'd expect. Just don't expect mil-spec durability if you're using it on a job site every day. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner tackling renovations or a hobbyist building decks and shelves. Skip this one if you need cordless convenience or plan to use it 8 hours a day. Go pro-grade instead. For under $60, it's an absolute steal. Product number 2, Dewalt DCS-391B. All right, that was a solid budget pick. But if you're tired of being tethered to an outlet, meet the Dewalt DCS-391B, a cordless sidewinder that's built for real work. Priced at $163 without a battery, this is where serious DIYers and pros start paying attention. If you want freedom without sacrificing power, this one's a game changer. Here's why this matters for you. It runs on DeWalt's 20-volt max system, so if you already own their batteries, you're saving big. It spins at 5150 RPM. That's fast enough to cut through pressure-treated lumber cleanly. The 6.5-inch blade handles most common materials, and the 0 to 50-degree bevel gives you flexibility for roof pitches or trim work. Plus, it's surprisingly well-balanced, so your wrist doesn't take a beating. Now, some users were frustrated that the battery isn't included. And yeah, that stings when you're already paying over $160. But here's the thing. If you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem, you probably have a spare battery lying around. And even if you don't, the long-term convenience of cordless outweighs the upfront cost. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious DIYer who values mobility and already uses DeWalt tools. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and don't own any 20-volt batteries. It gets expensive fast. Still, for performance and brand reliability, it's a top-tier choice. Product number 3, DeWalt DCS-565B. Now, if the last DeWalt's brushed motor worried you about long-term wear, this next one takes a completely different approach. The DeWalt DCS-565B is the upgraded, brushless version. Still cordless, still powerful, but built to last longer. At $183, it's a step up in both tech and price. Here's why this matters for you. Brushless motors run cooler, last longer, and deliver more consistent power under load. That means fewer replacements and better performance when cutting dense materials like hardwood or laminated beams. It's also part of the same 20-volt max system, so battery compatibility stays strong. The compact design makes it easier to handle in tight spaces, perfect for overhead work or detailed cuts. Now, some people said it feels a bit front-heavy, which can throw off your balance during long cuts. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the trade-off in power and efficiency is worth it. It's not a deal breaker, just a learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or advanced DIYer who wants maximum tool life and performance. Skip this one if you're just doing occasional home repairs. You're paying for pro features you might not need. But if you use your saw regularly, the brushless tech pays for itself over time. Product number 4, Ryobi OnePlus 18 Volt. All right, that was a solid pro option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-focused users who still want cordless freedom. The Ryobi One Plus 18-volt cordless saw comes in at just $51. Yes, you heard that right, and runs on Ryobi's One Plus battery system. Here's why this matters for you. If you already own Ryobi tools like drills or mowers, this saw uses the same batteries, so no extra investment. The 5.5-inch blade is smaller, which means it's lighter and easier to control for detail work, but still handles 2-inch lumber with ease. It's not as powerful as the Dewalt models, but for light framing, shelving, or deck repairs, it gets the job done. Now, some buyers were disappointed by the lack of a laser guide or LED light, features you'd expect even on mid-tier saws. Here's the thing though, at this price, you're getting solid performance without the extras. It's bare bones, but it works. This is perfect for you if you're a casual DIYer or already use Ryobi tools and want a cheap, compatible add-on. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty cutting or plan to use it daily. It's not built for that. But for under $55, it's hard to beat for occasional use.
Product number 5, Milwaukee M18 2630-20. Finally, we've got the Milwaukee M18 2630-20, a bare tool at $115 that's built like a tank. If you're in the Milwaukee ecosystem or want one of the most durable cordless saws out there, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you. Milwaukee's M18 batteries are known for insane runtime and cold weather performance. This saw delivers consistent power, even when the battery's running low, thanks to smart electronics. The 6.5-inch blade cuts deep and smooth, and the magnesium shoe is both lightweight and nearly indestructible, way better than plastic. It's also surprisingly quiet for how much power it packs. Now, some users complained about the lack of a rafter hook, a small but useful feature for hanging the saw on a beam. Here's the thing though, it's a minor inconvenience, not a flaw. The build quality and performance more than make up for it. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious builder who values durability and battery compatibility. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't own Milwaukee tools already. But if you're all in on M18, this saw won't let you down.
So which one should you buy? The Skill 5080-01 wins for budget power. The Dewalt DCS 391B is great for cordless freedom. The DCS 565B adds brushless longevity. The Ryobi One-And is perfect for light use, and the Milwaukee M18 is built for pros. Think about your needs, battery system, power, and how often you'll use it, and pick the one that fits. Thanks for watching, and happy cutting!